In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale blurry photos like a pro with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a fuzzy image and guide Gemini to bring back crisp, clear detail using a simple, focused prompt. First, open your Gemini account. Sign in on the website or app with your usual credentials. If it's your first time, complete the basic setup and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Before you begin, have the photo you want to improve saved on your device in a common format like JPG or PNG. Using the highest quality version you have will give Gemini more information to work with, which can noticeably improve the result. With your account open, look for the upload icon in the interface. It typically resembles a small image or an upward arrow. Click that icon to start the upload process. A file picker will appear. Navigate to the folder where your photo is stored, select it, and confirm. Give the upload a moment to finish. You'll know it worked when you see a thumbnail or file name appear in the chat or workspace area. If the file is large, just be patient. Bigger images can take a little longer, but they're often worth the wait. Now it's time for the prompt. In the message box, type a clear instruction. Reimagine this photo with clear details. Keep your wording simple and direct. This tells Gemini exactly what you want. Enhanced clarity without changing the subject or the style unnecessarily. If the photo contains people, this phrasing also encourages natural-looking textures rather than artificial over-sharpening. Avoid stacking multiple, conflicting instructions. Clarity in your prompt leads to clarity in your result. Press Enter and wait patiently for Gemini to process your request. Rendering can take from a few seconds to a bit longer, depending on your file size and server load. While you wait, don't click away or start another task in the same window. Let Gemini finish. When the result appears, look closely at edges, fine textures, and areas that were previously muddy, like hair, text, or distant objects. If the image is clearer but feels too smooth or too punchy, you can slightly refine your wording and try again, keeping your instruction concise. That's it. Open your Gemini account, upload your photo, enter reimagine this photo with clear details, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. With a clean prompt and a bit of patience, you'll consistently turn blurry shots into sharper, more professional-looking images.